IPL 2025 Kolkata Knight Riders full and final squad. Number 1 Rinku Singh batsman. Number 2 Om Krishna Raghuvamshi batsman. Number 3 Rahman Poyal batsman. Number 4 Manish Pandey batsman. Number 5 Ajinkya Rahane batsman. Number 6 Quinton de Kock wicket-keeper. Number 7 R. Gurbaz wicket-keeper. Number 8 Lubnit Sisodia wicket-keeper. Number 9 Venkatesh Iyer all-rounder. Number 10 Ankur Roy all-rounder. Number 11 Moeen Ali all-rounder. Number 12 Ramandeep Singh all-rounder. Number 13 Andre Russell all-rounder. Number 14 Anrich Nadje bowler. Number 15 Vaibhav Arora bowler. Number 16 Mayank Markande bowler. Number 17 Spencer Johnson bowler. Number 18 Umran Malik bowler. Number 19 Harshit Rana bowler. Number 20 Sunil Narane bowler. Number 21 Varun Chakraborty bowler. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.